Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our North Pole Christmas Classic Bundle. All of our classic bundles include a collection kit, solids pack, ephemera, and a 6x6 paper pad. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this Christmas-inspired collection brings holiday magic and North Pole wonder to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking holiday traditions, visits with Santa, or Christmas morning memories, this collection helps you capture the wonder and excitement of the season. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. Our coordinating solids packs are designed to perfectly match the color and design of the pattern papers. The patterns and elements in this paper pad have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. With 33 pieces of ephemera, just imagine the layouts you could create.